expecting weather improvement for Naga before we could set for departure. So the weather formation for Naga is okay. 10-kilometer visibility with low clouds at 2,000 feet. So hopefully we could make it for the approach, but we'll inform you from time to time as soon as the latest information for Naga. So the weather information, little bit rain shower of the field, and maybe all the way to the rest of the flight. We'll be climbing assigned altitude 11,000 feet. Then tracking distance of 142 miles. Will take us 50 minutes flight time towards Naga. And anyway, weather formation, as I said earlier, expecting rain shower and cloudy skies during en route climb and during descent. So we may inform the seatbelt sign should be on just for your safety. So please comply. As much as possible, we'll try to avoid some turbulent clouds for your convenience as well. Anyway, just sit back, relax, enjoy the rest flight this morning, and we'll update you as soon as the latest information for Naga. Once again, we will flight deck, rest, cabin crew, Web, Ian, and Kel, thank you for flying so much. And enjoy the rest flight. We'll update you as soon as the latest information for Naga. Salamat.
We are ready to fly. Sabon ni Jackie. Pag-iyaman ko, isasama ko na si Kaka rito. Nasama ko si Kaka at sila Derek. Sarap na experience ng bata ito eh. Hey Tita Shirley, look, we are flying.
Hindi ko makita eh.
Okay, it's S-Lex. Tayo dadaan na liwayway.
Kakaway ka.
Laguna Tepe. Sa bito ka man nakikikat-ikat din. Oo. Yung kaya laman niya? Oo. Paano kaya nila na diretso? Hindi mismo kung hindi fish pen, may mga pangpang eh. May pangpang eh, may damo.
Damo ba yun?
Oo, damo yun eh. Ano yun? Yung kulay green? Di ba damo yun? Seaweeds. Baka, tignan mo, puro ulap lang, oh. There is a propeller. Yung propeller na yan, umiikot siya ng ano, mga 2,000 rounds per minute. Binilang ko kanina eh. Bilang, hindi, 2,000 binilang ko. 2,001 minutes. Wow! Very scenic.
Ang langit. Diba ang langit? Hindi ako makarin ng Panginoon.
Pag may nakatitingin dahil pag may ako nasa.
Andrea, ang daming cotton candy rito. Nagkalat, oh.
Nagawaan ako.
Ayun.
Mata ko yung bintana. Ayan, ganda dito. Ayan, oh. Kita mo yun? Ulap yun, no? Yung mga puti, oh. Ang labo na naman.